What up, fam? What up, family? Welcome back to the channel. This time around, we have Grand Funk Railroad with Hooked on Love. This is from their 1970 album, Closer to Home. Shout outs to Grand Funk Railroad, amazing three-piece band from Flint, Michigan. These guys are so dope. Actually, off this album, I already did the intro track, which is "Sin's a Good Man's Brother." Amazing song. So if y'all want to see more of Grand Funk Railroad, let me know what's next in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate y'all, right? And of course, I got the lyrics. Let's go ahead and listen. I'm always excited to hear these guys. Amazing every time. Hooked on love. Even their love songs sound raw.
My brothers and sisters, hear what I say. I'm gonna love you till my dying day.
Yes, sir.
When I tell you that I love you, well, at least I've tried. I want you to believe me. This ain't no lie. You know that I am.
The rhythm guitar here. Woo. They got the fuzz on the bass too.
Satisfy my need in life now. Let me hear you say, you'll be loving me alright until your dying day. I said a little bit louder now, start to get you grooved. You got nothing to worry about.
Your love is on the move. I like the two-ear thing. The human race. Woo! Bass. That was a fire switch up. Yo, that got trippy real quick.
Satisfy my need in life now. Let me hear you say, yeah. You'll be loving me alright
Until
until
you're
you're
dying
dying
dead.
day. Just say it a little bit louder now. I'm got to get your groove. You got
Got nothing
nothing
to
to
worry
worry
about.
about. Your love is on the move. I hope someday the light of love shines bright upon your face. I don't care who you are. I
Love
love
the
the
human
human
race.
race.
Yo, the bass is so sick on here.
Don't you know that I am?
Woo! Slow it down again.
I say,
Hooked on love. Hooked on love.
I'm gonna tell you one more time.
Hooked on love.
Everybody knows that I am.
Hooked on love.
Got to believe me.
Hooked on love.
Believe me when I say,
Hooked on love.
believe me, I'm not playing.
Hooked on
Every day, yes I am.
These guys are super impressive. This is one moment. This is an amazing love song. The next moment is kind of like like a peace song. I don't care who you are. I love the human race. The next moment is a display of pure brilliance when it comes to instrumentation. Like when it speeds up, it's almost like it went from like a soulful kind of funk rock type song to almost punk, a bit of thrash, and what experimental type type of instrumentation where you hear they messing with the panning. What was that? I think that was the guitar that was doing that, either with the guitar or with the bass. And it's just three of these guys, and they're just so incredible at what they do. This is a song you could just throw on, man, and it has so much creativity to it. This was 70s, man. This was I think we need to talk about Grand Funk a little bit more, man. We definitely do. These guys were just, when they do their soulful funk rock vibe, they really give you the same thing that I love about the Stones, the back alley church vibes. Even though the Rolling Stones capture it, I feel like a bit more, where it feels like you're there, but they do it very well too. Probably if they introduced the organ a little bit, it would give it more of that back alley church sound that I talk about. But they capture it really really well. I love what these guys do, man. I definitely want to hear more from Grand Funk Railroad. Every time I listen to them, it just sounds like creativity like maxed out. It just sounds like creativity maxed out. Vocals, amazing vocals. They don't slack in any area. That's why I love this band. And plus, there's still that youthful feeling that I get from them, and I feel like if I was around in that era, I would definitely be listening to some Grand Funk. But anyways, y'all let me know how you feel about it in the comment section below. Also, let me know what's next from Grand Funk Railroad, and I got you, all right? And don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button, all right? I'll see y'all in the next one, and guess what? You better be there. Hooked on.